I built my entire online sales system without a team and without coding. Just one tool made it all possible. Systeme. I created funnels, landing pages, emails, and even my first online course. First, I signed up. It's 100% free to start. I picked a ready-made funnel and customized it to fit my offer. Drag, drop, edit text. It felt like building with blocks. I added a headline, a sign-up form, and linked my domain. Then I set up email automation for new subscribers. Now each lead gets a welcome email instantly. No manual work. I even built an online course right inside Systeme. My students can enroll, learn, and take quizzes, all in one place. Want to sell a product or course? It's already built in. Need affiliates to promote your offer? Systeme.io handles that too. I no longer juggle between multiple tools. Everything I need is right here, in one simple dashboard. And yes, it's still free for beginners. I didn't need a designer, a developer, or a team. I manage everything myself. What's that? Nice? Oh, without burnout. Systeme.io even shows me real-time stats and insights. It helps me grow, without distractions, without overwhelm. I now focus more on helping my audience. Not on tech issues. If you're starting your online business, this is where I'd begin. Click the link below and launch your own system in minutes. Don't wait. The tool is free. The opportunity is real.